Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll be talking about hemp seeds. I'm sure you've heard of hemp seeds before. They are literally everywhere. There is so many videos out there, but what I wanted to do now is talk a little bit about the benefits and really go deep into how I use hemp seeds with my family to improve the health, to improve the immune system, as well as add fatty acids and many other benefits to the diet. So I'm doing the keto diet since a year ago. So I started a year doing the keto diet. I've lost about 35 kilos, had great success, and I use hemp seeds whenever possible in my recipes, and you might want to check out the channel for more keto recipes if you're interested. So hemp seeds have a nutty flavor. They're usually used de-shelled, that way you can absorb their minerals and vitamins in the best way possible. They're really rich in healthy fats and essential fatty acids, and they are a great protein source, and they contain high amounts of vitamin E, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, magnesium, sulfur, calcium, iron, and zinc. There has been many evidence-based studies on their benefits with the heart, with reducing cholesterol, with the immune system, and with the improving the basic hormone function, as well as thyroid function. One of the best ways I use hemp seeds is to make hemp butter, and that is by using hemp seeds along with hemp oil. I grind them up in a food processor, and I have instant hemp butter that I store in room temperature. It can also be stored in the fridge. You can substitute the hemp oil if you don't have any for coconut oil or for any edible oil like avocado. I also use hemp seeds to make hemp milk, and that is super easy, just hemp and water along with any sweetener of your choice. You just put them in the blender and then strain through. I've done a video on it before. You can see the link in the description below. Also, I add hemp seeds in soups, in stews, in broths, as well as in granola, on oatmeal. I use hemp seeds in all sorts of baking, so baking breads, cakes, biscuits, as well as many of the raw desserts. I hope you enjoyed the video. We try to make really condensed videos for you so you can get as much information as you can in as little time as possible. So if this channel resonates, do subscribe. Would love to have you on board. Take care and bye bye.